Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For all those who are new here, my name is Sharvari Phatak and I am a Psychology PG Cert student. I have this channel with the purpose of promoting good well-being, good mental health and also giving you guys some information about psychology. Now for all my returning subscribers, hi everyone, I am glad to see you guys back here. Today I am going to take you with me on a journey to understand the MBTI personality test or the Myers-Briggs type inventory. Now this personality test was devised by the psychologist Carl Jung and it is considered very reliable and valid whenever it comes to testing personality. So let's embark on this journey together, but before we do that, I want you all as usual to like, share and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Also hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and also do check out my page Magical Tomorrow on Instagram. The link is in the description for easy access, so do visit. Now coming back, the MBTI personality type, as I said, is a concept devised by the psychologist Carl Jung. So every person has a personality type and is signified by 4 letters. These letters are not just random letters thrown out of the blue, but they have a particular significance. What is this significance? We are going to see in some time. Now, the first letter of your personality type will be on how you tend to associate with people. Yes, you guessed it right. Either you are an introvert or you are an extrovert. So your first letter will either be an I or an E, depending on how you tend to be around people. That will be your first letter. The second letter of your personality type is on how you take in information in general. So are you a person who senses or a person who believes in intuition? A person who senses will tend to react to stimuli and make a conclusion based on that, whereas a person based on intuition will be more inclined towards the imaginative side or be around what possibilities a particular situation would have. Your third letter will be on how you make decisions. So either you are a person who thinks or you are a person who feels. A person who thinks makes decisions based on logical reasoning, whereas a person who feels tends to make decisions based on the heart, which you can say emotionally. These people are very emotional and they tend to use that emotion as a basis for making their decisions. And lastly, your fourth letter will either be on how you are as a person. So are you a person who is into judging or a person who is into perceiving? A person who judges will tend to make conclusions based on how you are, or rather how basically you tend to associate with life in general, whereas a person who perceives will just analyze every fact and then live their life according to that or based on personal values. These are the 4 types which are involved in the MBTI personality type. There are 16 types of combinations that can happen with these 4 types. So to give examples off my head, you can be an INFP, you can be an you can be a INTJ, you can be an ENFP, an ENFJ, ESFJ. To share, I personally am an ISFJ, so my strong points are introversion, sensing, feeling and judging. Now, yes, I understand that your curiosity might have increased and you are wishing to take the test right now. I thought such a situation would happen, and that is why I have included the link to 16personalities.com in the description. So you can take the test there and you can find out what is your MBTI type. Now there is also a guide given in the website, so you can read more about your personality type and just get to know things a lot better. This was the video about the MBTI personality type. Many people keep on asking me, so can you make out what might be my personality type? Well, this test requires one person to get to know another person better to really judge on what their personality type would be. So my suggestion would be you take the test and you judge on what is your personality type. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This video was also very highly requested because people nowadays want to know more about their MBTI type. That's why I decided to make one in order to give you guys more information about this topic and overall just kind of pique your curiosity in this concern. Thank you once again everyone for watching. I make videos every Friday, so I'll be back next Friday. See you next Friday. And also do let me know how you like this video. You can leave a comment in the comment section down below. I enjoy reading your comments, so thank you, and thanks for all the love you have given me. Also, we are currently as of today at 86 subscribers, so wow, I'm overwhelmed by the support. Thank you so much everybody for supporting me, and make sure to subscribe so I can reach 100 subscribers. That's it for today. See you guys next Friday. Have an amazing day and a great week ahead. I'll see you next week. Bye and see you soon.